Hello YouTube, long time no see. This is Ryan. I'm gonna start doing more on my channel again. It's been quite a few years since I've videotaped anything that I've built, and I've built a lot of stuff. But yeah, this video is gonna be about waste oil burners. I've made a few, trying different designs. I've seen a lot on Jerry's Waste Oil Burners on YouTube. He likes to play around and make different designs and see how they work out and make videos of it, so I figured I'd try it. Some of these are based off of what he's done, and some are different, but well, let's get to it and show you how this big one works. Well, this is mostly my test burner. It's hooked up to a bucket full of OU's motor oil. Comes down the hose, ball valve. It's got a pipe fitting there, coupling. As you can see the oil drip. They'll know how much you got going on. Open it up. Alright, now we're back. Alright. This is the style of burner I got going on here. First of all, it's a 100-pound propane cylinder that was out of date, so I decided to chop it up and make something out of it. Alright, this is the burner assembly I made. It copies the new design that Jerry's Waste Oil Burners came up with. It's a one of those little green propane tanks. Cut the top off. Make sure it's empty and drill holes in it to make sure it drains all the stuff out before you go cutting into it so you don't explode. I cut a hole in the bottom of this steel pan. Stuck it through about an inch. Welded it all up so it's sealed. I drilled air holes all through it. I blocked some of them off with bolts, just playing around with the airflow. I don't think you need too much. I had way too many holes in that, I think. And in here I put a giant washer that I cut out of a 1/8-inch plate. Stuck it down in there and welded it in. Gotta make sure that's sealed all the way around. This was the old burner that I had. It went up through that hole, and it was under here. It went up in the hole, and then I had a cast iron frying pan attached to the bottom of the brake drum there, or the brake rotor, and that's where the oil went, inside that pan. And that's where the oil came through, and I cut it off. But this is the new type that I got going here. I got the oil coming through the wall. Got the tank. It sits over the hole, so the airflow comes up through the bottom and out these holes. And we'll see how this works. I haven't tried it yet with these nuts on, these bolts that I welded in. That position sits well. Sits flat. Okay. And then how I start this is I usually turn the oil on. If you can see that, probably not. The lighting in here sucks. You turn the oil on just a little bit. Right, there it goes. If you can see that. No, probably not. It should start coming out there, yeah. So this starts filling up with oil. Then I take some gas that I have in this can. You can use kerosene or whatever you want. Any type of flammable liquid. Just to help it get going. Just put a little bit in there. Not much, maybe 3 or 4 tablespoons. And let the oil run for a second. I'll get my torch going. Alright. Okay. Light it up. clean this door off here so you can see what's going on. Close the door. The door closed, right? I just have a Pyrex pie plate for the window. They're rated for 930 degrees or something like that. So it works alright. Alright, we'll let that get going for a minute, and then I'll come back and show you what it's doing. Alright, we're back. It's maybe been a minute and a half. You can see the oil line there. I don't know if you can see the oil running down into the pan. But those air holes, the air comes up through the bottom and blows right through those holes with the heat rising. And it makes like almost like a forge with airflow, like you were forcing air into there. You can see the little shoots of fire coming out from around where the holes are, because that's where the air is, and all the gases from the that are being released from the oil are burning when they hit the air. This thing gets pretty friggin' hot. I think it's pretty good design. I mean, I gotta play with the airflow so it burns a little cleaner, because I am getting a little bit of smoke. But look at this a little bit. I got one of those forced air heaters. I took all the tank and parts out of it, the burn chamber. So it's just the fan in the end here, and I weld baffles. Some baffles inside there, so I can plug that in, and it blows it's welded right to the top of the tank. So when the bottom of that heats up, I turn the fan on and it'll blow the hot air out into the tent. Working in one of these tent garages for now until I get it built up for year-round work. But there's my pipe. It's a 4-inch, 1/4-inch thick black iron pipe that goes through the back. Oh, there goes the window. Couldn't handle the heat. Oh, that's not good. I will have to change that. Maybe get some stove glass or just block that off and put a little sight peephole or something in there, because you don't want too much airflow. You can see the smoke coming out of there. Shut the oil off. Let it burn out. I'm gonna get all sooty in here. The smoke has a lot of soot in it. Well, you know that gets hot. Yeah. I guess that's it for now. We'll come back with another video when I figure out what to do about the window. And try it again, see how hot this thing gets. Thanks for watching.